Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Natasha Denona makeup tutorial using her new Peak palette. It is a very gorgeous 5-pan palette. And I did incorporate the palette on my eyes and my face. If you are new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, luxury. I always forget. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace and I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally lifestyle, food, and travel videos. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again and stay subscribed to my channel. So I will hop right into a look. It is very quick and to the point because I do not talk throughout the video because the eyeshadows are not named and I basically point to each eyeshadow in the palette in which I'm using. That goes for my eyes and my face. So if you'd like to check out the look, just keep watching.
Brian Little. Yoga.